After a long day of sweeping the streets, keeping things clean, the final thing is to actually clean your sweeper. Cleaning the sweeper is one of the most important steps of the longevity of this product. It helps maintain it for serviceability and also for keeping corrosion and things like that down. So it's very important at the end of the day to wash your sweeper and wash it thoroughly. After you've dumped the hopper for those debris is get to a wash rack or a hose, and then you actually want to tilt the hopper, engage the safety devices, and wash it out thoroughly. You want to wash the screens, you want to wash the hopper, you want to wash the head, you want to flush it if you've got a deluge system. And again, the cleaner you keep this sweeper, the longer it's going to last. To clean the sweeper and clean it thoroughly, you're looking at a 10 to 15 minute process. And by doing this every day after you finish running your route, you'll add life to the sweeper to last for years. Most people start every day with actually washing their air filter and water filters. It's also a good process at the end of the day to rinse your filters. So we'll start by rinsing our water filter and checking our air filter for debris. The important part of washing the filters is so when the truck is not moving, it's actually sitting static in the yard. That's going to keep debris from building up, keeping different deposits from forming on the filters, and it'll keep you running at an optimum level. Another good point for safety and also for just cleanliness is when you're taking time to wash out the hopper and wash out the sweeper function, take time to take all the garbage and clean your cab out. I mean, this is where you're going to spend your day, so you want a clean environment. Again, cleaning the sweeper at the end of a day, not only does it help with the appearance of the sweeper, it helps with the operation, and it's going to add longevity. The cleaner you keep this sweeper and you remove all the different sediments and different corrosive devices and materials you're picking up on the day you're running your route, it's going to be the more life you're going to put into the sweeper. So that 15, 20 minutes a day that takes you to rinse it out could literally add years to the life of the sweeper.